there, Keto Bakeaholics. It's Carolyn from All Day I Dream About Food. And today we're making a brand new, never before seen keto holiday recipe. We're making gingerbread blondies. So I have to admit that calling these brand new and never seen before is a touch misleading. I actually made these gingerbread blondies last December for a book signing I was hosting here in Portland. To say they met with approval is an understatement. Everyone wanted the recipe. So we're making it right here, right now, just in time for the holidays. So first things first, we're going to whisk together our dry ingredients. And I'm starting with 2 cups of almond flour. And I'm going to add 2/3 cup of Swerve Brown. You want the brown sugar substitute because it gives it more like a conventional gingerbread flavor. Then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. This isn't to make it taste like chocolate, it really just helps the color be more like gingerbread. I have here 1 tablespoon of grass-fed gelatin. This is really just to give the blondies more of a chewiness, but if you don't have it or you don't want to add it, you can just skip it. And it wouldn't be gingerbread without the ginger, so I have a full tablespoon of ground ginger here. Depending on your tastes, you can add a little less or a little more. Then we're going to add 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/8 of a teaspoon of ground cloves, about 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Once you have that all nicely whisked together, you can add your other ingredients. I have here 1/2 cup of melted butter, 1 large egg, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And we're going to stir it all together until it's like a cookie dough. And you know what goes really well with gingerbread? White chocolate. So I have here 1/3 cup of white chocolate chips. And I'm going to put most of those in, but save a few for the top so that they show through. If you want, you can add dark chocolate chips or semi-sweet chocolate chips instead. I love the contrast of the white chocolate chips with the dark gingerbread. And our dough is looking great, so now we can press it into our pan. I have here an 8x8 pan that I've already greased. You can use 9x9, but your blondies will just be a little bit thinner and will bake a little faster. So now we'll just transfer our dough to the prepared pan and just use your hands to press it in. You want to make it as even as possible. Now we want to take the last of our chocolate chips and just kind of press them into the top just so they're a little more visible. And now our gingerbread blondies are ready for the oven. They go in at 325 for about 15 to 20 minutes. You want them to be puffy but still soft when you take them out of the oven. Okay, my friends, gingerbread blondies are out of the oven. They smell like the holidays, and I've let them cool for about half an hour before I can cut into them. But let's cut in and let's see if I can show you a piece. There we go, my friends, look at that. Gorgeous, tender blondies, soft and chewy, melty white chocolate with a kick of ginger. These are a fabulous holiday recipe. For this easy keto holiday recipe and so many more, please check out alldayidreamaboutfood.com.